The Online Trust Alliance is an Internet Society initiative. OTA's mission is to enhance online trust, user empowerment, and innovation through convening multi-stakeholder initiatives, developing and promoting best practices, ethical privacy practices, and data stewardship.
The Internet Society as a whole has 4 key initiatives that it's involved in this year, and this is emblematic of the first, which is security and the Internet of Things.
With all of this data, security is a big issue, and security is usually defined as confidentiality, integrity, availability, and more recently, resiliency.
American legislators, American executives are saying, Europe has a good idea. What a concept. Foreign law is something we can adopt. This is a sea change. This has been the pushback in New Jersey, the give and take. Are we creating regulations that can help business grow, or are we getting too close to the line where it's going to interfere? I think we can accomplish something that will allow the IoT industry to thrive and grow and develop and still be good stewards of people's personal information.
So over the past 3.5 years, we've developed a framework. It was first released in early 2016. It's gone through a few revisions now. Has 40 principles of what should be addressed by manufacturers in their offerings. And this does cover the devices, the apps, and the back-end services. So we call our campaign, if you want to think of it that way, of advocating for better security and privacy in IoT, Trust by Design. We sort of roll security and privacy together into trust. But these are some resources that we've created and kind of under 2 different brands here, you might say. But the principles are in the upper left there. There's a summary version of it. Then there's the full list of 40. We did a smart home checklist, like if you're a consumer, what should you be thinking about? Earlier this year, we released a enterprise IoT security checklist. And then finally, we have an IoT security for policymakers white paper. There's some other papers coming here soon. IoT security and privacy is all of our responsibility because we all have a role to play, whether we're a consumer, manufacturer, policymaker, and anything else in between. And how can you get involved? So you've heard me talk about Trust by Design and these principles. I would encourage you to download and look at this framework and just get an idea of what's in it. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.